Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today in this video I'm going to be talking about the macOS 13.3 beta update. So Apple hasn't dropped a new update in a month now, and just today they released the new macOS 13.3 beta update. And immediately that was released, I went directly to my profile. I'm just going to be going to my system settings right now, and then I went to my software update, and then I noticed that the 13.3 beta update was not available yet. All I saw was the Ventura 13.2.1 update, and this is just 500 MB in size. You can see that right there. But the 13.3 update is about 3 gigabytes in size. After checking out a video from Luke Mayani on YouTube, and the 13.3 beta update is only available to Apple beta testers. Once you have a beta tester account, then you'll be able to download the update. I already tried downloading it from the website, but then you can see this error I got right here. Yeah, the beta software is only intended for installation on development services registered under the Apple Developer Program. Meaning you have to be on the Apple Developer Program before you can get this update. And then for you to join this, all you have to do is sign up to the Apple Beta Software Program. You can see that right here. So you guys can check out how to join the Apple Beta Software Program if you need this update, and then you're gonna be able to get the update on your Mac OS. But I feel like it's actually not very useful for you to upgrade to this unless you are like very big on bug fixes and security patches, because there has not been any new features that has been added in this update when you upgrade from the Mac OS 13.2. And you can see that in the change log right here. You can see the release notes for the Mac OS Ventura 13.3 beta release notes. You can see that right here. When I checked out all the things that were released with this new update, they were mostly just bug fixes and also security issues. And there was also a very annoying notification issues that people were facing on the 13.1 version that has also been fixed. And basically that was all that has been added to the 13.3 update. There's no really any big changes in maybe the UI or whatever in the update. So there hasn't been really any big changes to the update, and I don't think like it's very important for you to carry out this update unless you are just very big on bug fixes and security fixes and updates. So guys, that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button right now, and make sure you also click on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know when any video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.